Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. In today's video, we are going to be doing a cosmetology practice test number 8. This is a 20 question and answer practice test. Please be sure to read your textbook for more information on each subject. Information is not limited to the one shown in this video. If you are currently studying for your state exam, I hope you find all of this information helpful. Share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments your thought, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now let's get started. Number 1, disinfectant is acceptable for use on A. Human nails, B. Tools and multi-use supplies, C. Human hair, D. Skin. The answer is B. Tools and multi-use supplies. Number 2, key product information such as toxicology, first aid, firefighting measures, and ecological information is provided by the A. DNR, B. EPA, C. SDS, D. USDA. The answer is C. SDS, Safety Data Sheet. Number 3, which of the following steps should be taken after removing all hair from a brush during a disinfection procedure? A. Immerse brush in a disinfectant solution. B. Dry brush thoroughly. C. Store brush in a dry cover container. D. Wash brush with soap and water. The answer is D. Wash brush with soap and water. Number 4, if a tool is free from dirt, oil, and microbes, it has been A. Disposed, B. Decontaminated, C. Contaminated, D. Dispensed. The answer is B. Decontaminated. Number 5, always store disinfectant in containers that are A. Unclear, B. Plastic, C. Labeled, D. Clear. The answer is C. Labeled. Remember, you must label all of your containers. Number 6, when performing first aid for bleeding wound, what is the next step after bleeding stops? A. Apply bandage. B. Elevate injured limb. C. Apply a tourniquet. D. Apply pressure. The answer is A. Apply a bandage. Number 7, what is the natural flow or wave pattern of hair determined by A. The number of follicles, B. The shape of the head, C. The angle of the follicle, D. The size of the follicle. The answer is C. The angle of the follicle. Number 8, the layer of hair consisting of unique protein structures that give the hair most of its pigment and strength, in other words, its elasticity, is called the A. Medulla, B. Cortex, C. Follicle, D. Cuticle. The answer is B. Cortex. Number 9, the active growing stage of hair lasts from A. 24 to 50 years, B. 12 to 16 years. C. 6 months to 1 year. D. 2 to 6 years. The answer is D. 2 to 6 years. Number 10. The hair growth stage when all cell division stops is the A. Active stage, B. Catagen stage, C. Anglogen stage, D. Telogen stage. The answer is B. Catagen stage. Number 11, the hard resistant layer of proteins that protect the hair shaft is the A. Medulla, B. Papilla, C. Cuticle, D. Cortex. The answer is C. Cuticle. Number 12, hair color is influenced by the amount, size, and distribution of A. Thick and fine hair, B. Eumelanin and pheomelanin, C. Coarse and medium hair, D. Hair follicles. And the answer is B. Eumelanin and pheomelanin. Number 13, the degree of coarseness or fineness of the hair fiber is referred to as A. Viscosity, B. Density, C. Porosity, D. Texture. The answer is D. Texture. Number 14, if the layer of the cuticle are very close together, the hair has which type of porosity? Is it A. Resistant, B. Average, C. Extreme, D. Uneven? The answer is A. Resistant. Number 15, the most common form of hair loss in both men and women is A. Analogen hair loss, B. Androgenetic alopecia, C. Circle pattern, D. Exposure to sunlight. The answer is B. Androgenetic alopecia. Number 16, a three-dimensional representation of shape is A. Form, B. Composition, C. Texture, D. Component. The answer is A. Form. Number 17, three-sectioning is an effective way to measure the proportions of the A. Neck, B. Shoulders, C. Face, D. Entire body. The answer is C. Face. Number 18, which of the following cutting tools is used to create a clean, blunt edge? A. Shears, B. Razor, C. Channeling shears, D. Taper shears. The answer is A. Shears. Number 19, which finger should be placed in the finger grip to control the steel blade when holding shears? A. Ring finger, B. Index finger, C. Thumb, D. Pinky finger. The answer is A. Ring finger. Number 20. The movable blade of the shears is controlled by the A. Finger brace, B. Hand screw, C. Thumb grip, D. Steel blade. The answer is C. Thumb grip. Alright everyone, well that is it for this video. I hope you're finding all of this information helpful. Don't forget to go back and reread those chapters in your textbook. I promise you it'll help you a lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. If you're new, consider subscribing, share, like, let me know in the comments down below if you found the information helpful. Share it with a friend, and you guys, let's keep going, let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one.